I'm going to do a little experiment. You send me your car photos, your feed, something you want me to look at, and I will give you some feedback. If you've ever wanted to get photo critiques from me, some tips or encouragement on your photos, this will be a format where I do just that. I don't think I'm some arbiter of skill or good taste, but people message me and they ask me for feedback from time to time, and it might be more helpful if everyone can see that and benefit from it instead of just one-on-one. So we'll try this and see how it goes. It would be cool if this became a regular thing. There could even be potentially themes interpreting a sort of specific assignment in different ways, but let's take it one step at a time. So send those entries in. I promise I'll be nice, and I'll be just thankful that anyone is watching and taking the time to submit entries. The idea of actually engaging with an image or set of images on a slightly deeper level is exciting. So much of what we look at, we just see in a feed, and we like it, but we don't actually stop and think about it and reflect on it. So for me, the idea of slowing down and examining something, picking out some good things, what can be improved, that sounds refreshing. So please send those in. The email address is in the description, but it is ctmshares@gmail.com. Now I'd like to address something. I've been told that CTM is a highly vulgar slang expression or abbreviation of a slang expression in Spanish, possibly, specifically Chile. I don't know, I'm sorry. I actually did get rid of CTM icons, but I am keeping this email address for the time being. I'm not belittling this valid complaint, but the email is already set up and it's easy to type. So once again, that slur-filled email address is ctmshares@gmail.com. So send me some photos, a photo set, your favorites, something you shot recently that you're excited about, and I will talk about them in a video. I think it will be really fun, so let's see what happens.